Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to submit Python coding in Google Classroom. First of all, you have to go into the classroom. So I have a test classroom code over here. Okay, so I'm going to join the class. That's a homework. We can click over here. You can find the first homework. Just to give you an example, if I do this homework for the question number 1, if you use Python IDLE, as I taught you in the class, you can click the Windows button, type IDLE. You click a file and a new file. If you use a Mac, you can do the same thing. Okay, click a file and a new file. Make sure this is a new file, not new IDLE, because you can see there's a called untitled on the top. That means this file hasn't been saved. Okay, first question, you can just write hashtag Q1. You can make any variable such as a equal to 9. Then display your variable using print. So which is be print a. All right, you can test your coding to see if it's right by click run module, and you click OK. You can save into the default Python folder. You can save this as homework 01. Okay. You click save. You can see this is the running result as a 9, which means the coding is correct. All right, now we are going to submit this coding of homework 01 to the Google Classroom. Let's click the view instructions. Right top corner, you can see add or create. You click that add or create. Then you click this file. You click browse. But now the people probably will have the problem where I can find the code, right? So I saved into the default folder, but where I can find it. Okay, this is actually you can do. You can go back to your coding, click a file, click open. Then you can click this empty space after this path. By doing this, it will highlight the path folder. You Control C, copy it, or right click your mouse, copy. Okay, you can cancel now. Go back to the Google Classroom, this open. You click this path, Control V, paste it, press enter. Okay, so over here, actually, I do recommend you, if you have a lot of file, I do recommend you organize a file just by the date. So you can have options to show the details. So over here, you can right click it. Make sure you have called date modified be checked. Okay, we move this date modified over here and click this date modified. So if you click this date modified, you will see this homework 01 at the very, very top. And this is actually the current date. You click it, then computer will upload your homework. When you finish uploading, you can click turn in. So this is actually how you can turn in your homework. But in case some people did your homework using Replit, then this will be the process. You can create a Replit. For example, if you just create a new repo, which is over here, you're looking for Python. The title, you can create it called homework 01. Create a repo. And over here, you are going to create a equal to 9, print a. You can run the coding, make sure your coding is right. And okay, so let's see how we can upload it. There are 2 ways you can do it. First way, you can just click this 3 dot. Here's called download. So when you download it, the file will be downloaded into downloads of your computer. Go back to the Google Classroom. I'm going to resubmit again. I'm going to unsubmit. Same thing, add or create, choose a file, browse, downloads. See, this is the file we just newly downloaded. You can click it, then you can turn in. Or there's another way. So over here, you can choose Docs. The Google Classroom will help you to open a Google Doc. So in the Google Doc, you can copy your code there into the Google Doc, paste it, and you can click Turn In. And that's it. So you can choose any of these ways. But if you use a Mac computer, it will be a little bit easier because usually you will save your Python file at the folder you specified, right? Probably in the document or could be whatever the folder. So it is a little bit easier comparing with a Windows computer, because if you have a Windows computer, by default, the Python file will be saved into the Python installation folder. So it will be a little bit difficult to find the file. Just to try it and to see if you can submit your first homework. Bye.